Wait, hang on. Sorry to stop you for a while. Are you serious? So it's like we can organize our own dive trip, you mean? What's up and welcome back to MC2 Lifestyle channel. I am your lifestyle host Keons, and today we are going to discover this diving paradise. What kind of diving? Free diving and scuba diving. Scuba divers, free divers, this video is for you, and here is the Divers Paradise. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification button so that you won't miss awesome videos like this in the future. Are you ready? Without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so right beside of me is Mr. Figo. Hi, Mr. Figo. How are you? Nice to meet you. Yeah. So Mr. Figo is the owner and founder of Deep Blue World Dive Center. So today, Mr. Figo, why don't you introduce a bit of your, dive center? What is unique right here?
Okay, so hi everyone. Welcome to Big Blue World Dive Center. Our dive center is based in Terengganu, next to Merang Jetty, the jetty that goes to Redang, Lang Tengah, Bidong, Pulau U, and all those small islands around this area. So, what is unique about our center? First of all, we are based in mainland, and this place is very convenient to go to the islands that I mentioned just now. So we can make diving trips to Lang Tengah, to Redang, to Bidong, Pulau U, and all those islands that has nobody has stayed there before, like Pulau Tengkorak, Batuan Rusa, Batu Bara, Pulau Gelup, Pulau Kara. So I'm not sure whether you guys have heard about these names before.
Wait, hang on. Sorry to stop you for a while. Are you serious? So it's like, that means we stay here, then we can organize our own dive trip, you mean?
Well, if the whole group agree to go to a certain island or so to certain dive site, yes, we can organize that.
Dude, this is crazy. Okay, myself, I'm a diver myself, so I frequently go to resorts and stuff like that. So it's like, when we reach a resort and the dive center, our fortune, our luck, I would say, it's all depending on the dive center. So wherever the dive center organized want to bring us, then there is where we go. But did you guys heard that? So this place is basically you can request for your dive sites. Am I right?
Yes, this place is cater for diver, so we cater to their needs. If they want to do a certain trips to certain special islands, we can definitely organize that.
Oh my gosh, this is new to me. I'm not sure it's new to you guys or not. So yeah, I'm blown away. So anyhow, so that is the unique thing about this dive center, and I can see this place has all these container looking stuff. What are those actually?
Okay, our dive center is built using shipping containers. So we use shipping containers to modify into office, into our dive equipment storeroom, into guest room for the guests.
Seriously? What? This is guest room?
Yep.
No, I cannot believe this. Figure you have to bring us and show us this place. Guest room, guys. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, guys. Let's go in and have a look. I didn't know that containers can be modified until like this. This is like so cozy, guys. So after a tired day of dive, I think, look at all the renovation. It's raw yet cozy, guys. Woohoo! This entire dive center, how many guests can you fit maximum at one time?
Okay, at this moment we only have limited rooms. We have 4 guest rooms. Each room can sit for 3 person. And our rooms are mainly catered for divers lah. So we stress a lot on after a day of diving, we want them to have a good rest so that they can prepare for the next day of diving. And one surprising thing is that a lot of the new visitors, when they first visited us, they were very surprised with our built-in toilet.
What? Toilet?
Right?
Oh gosh, this... Guys, there is a toilet in here. You guys really, you have your own private space in the dive center. A rest space, and it's very private. You have your own toilet. This is crazy. This is really crazy. And it's limited, guys. So you're saying that 12 person, right?
Yes, maximum. We can cater for maximum 12 divers.
It's very limited. Places are beautiful. You can schedule and pick your own dive sites, and it's only for 12 person, guys. Really, it's my honor to be here today. And if you guys want to really come here, book this place, book it early. It's very limited. So that is the guest room. Now let's go and see what is besides the guest room. Let's go.
So this is a container we use as our diving dive center. Alright, this is where we store all our diving equipment.
Alright, so this is the dive center, guys. There is all these regulators. Wow, brand new. All the BCDs.
The shower area and the place we wash our dive equipment after diving.
So this is the shower area. Oh, okay. Divers, conventionally, you know what is this area is for. After you get salty wet, this is the place where you clean yourself, right? So what's up next?
And next to it is where we hang our dive gear, our wetsuit, our compressor, our scuba tanks. Every morning, we will, all the divers will assemble their gears into the basket. Then we will ship it to the boat using our van, and then we only assemble our gears on the boat.
Ah, alright. So that means we don't need to carry our gears, heavy gears, all the way to the boat. That means we just bring our gears separately on a basket and then we assemble them on the boat. That's another great idea, guys. What is this all, the kitchen and the cooking is all about? You guys don't provide meal?
We provide meal for lunch pack during diving days only. Breakfast would be the standard basic free flow of coffee, Milo, bread and toast, eggs, all this. For dinner, we prefer the divers to cook their own meals. We provide full kitchen facilities. We have barbecue grill, we have steamboat pot, so that divers, they can choose their own meal. They can bring their own food. We can buy fresh seafood next to the jetty. Then at the night time, we can party together.
Wow, that's cool. That sounds so cool. That is like the concept is like being at home, isn't it? It's like, all right, you do your own stuff, you come here and then you cook your own meal. So it's pretty much like your DIY routine. Friends get closer because work life is very stressful. When you come here, we get closer to each other. Wow, that's really a good approach. I think it's a very warm and nice approach. So that is the kitchen, guys. I think it's a very wonderful concept. Okay, you mentioned party. You mentioned come here, cook their own food, party. So let's see where is the party area and what do they normally do at that area. Let's go.
Okay.
Right?
This is the area where the divers spend most of their time at night. So we eat, we drink, we talk, we laugh, we even sing songs together and spend the night here.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of fun, guys. So just a simple area like this, and in a very quiet environment, then people who come here can enjoy their partying, their meals together, and chit-chatting. And guess what, guys? During the night time, because this place is pretty dark, you can actually see stars with your bare eyes in the sky.
Well, if you're lucky, you can see shooting stars, or you can even catch a firefly.
Woohoo! This is life, guys. This is life. So, yeah, this is so cool, and thank you very much for bringing us here. If you guys are divers and you guys are stuck for a long time, I know how do you feel, all right? And that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here to enjoy myself. But guys, the video doesn't end here, guys. There is some more very interesting video that we are going to upload, which is what is very interesting in Bidong Island. Thank you very much. This video is brought to you by Big Blue World Diving Center as well as Gopro Malaysia that allow us to use the GoPro 10. This entire video vlog is shot on a GoPro 10 and GoPro 9. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like as well as hit the bell notification button so that you won't miss videos like this in the future. Stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.